loved so much this makeup, I decided to make a makeup tutorial of the little angel and the little devil. And I'm super excited because this video turned out super cool and I love how the makeup turned out. It looks amazing. Oh, and if you want to learn how to make these horns and this necklace and also the halo of the angel and her choker, then go to my last video so you can see those DIYs. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get a notification when I do a new video. Give a huge thumbs up and comment down below following my Instagram and my Snapchat. Now let's start!
I'm going to start this makeup with the eyes. Get a gold glitter lipstick and get a brush and put it on your eyelid. Then make a wing eyeliner. Now we're going to get a pencil eyeliner and ignore my serious face. Let's try that again with a smile on my face. Much better. Put the eyeliner on the bottom of your waterline where your lashes are, and then we're going to blend it. Now get some mascara and put it on. Get your lashes and put them on. I prefer this glue because it sticks so much better and it's less the mess. Now we're going to do our contour. I look like Grumpy Cat doing this makeup. Let's try that again with a smile. Guys, I am so lame that I don't know why you guys watch my videos. Continue contouring. Blend if necessary. Oh my god, did you guys just saw my eyes? The thing that I just did. Let's replay that again. Now put on some blush. Don't forget to contour your nose and then blend it so you don't look like you have two lines on your nose. Instead of using concealer, I prefer to use this because it's a lot better for my skin. Then we're going to put on the highlight. You put it on your cheek, your cupid's bow, and your nose. Get your gold glitter lipstick and put it on, and that's it. And now you're an angel. Get makeup remover and remove your lipstick and your eyeshadow. Then get red eyeshadow and we're going to put it on our crease and we're going to blend it a lot. Then we're going to get an eyeshadow the color of our skin tone. We're going to put it on the lid. We're going to open the eye to know where to stop painting in the crease area. And then we're going to continue until we finish. Then we're going to get that red eyeshadow again and blend it. We're going to do our wing eyeliner again. And then we're going to put on some mascara so we can put on our eyelashes. Since I already contour and put highlighter in my face, I'm not going to do it again because I already have it. So now I'm going to get a red lipstick and put it on, and girl, you're finished. And this makeup looks amazing. You guys were so impressed with this makeup that this is the picture with most saved in my whole Instagram. Happy Halloween!
Well, that is about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a huge thumbs up and comment down below, follow my Instagram and my Snapchat. See you later, so goodbye. Bye!